Have you ever opened a PDF and noticed that the pages are in the wrong order? Or maybe the document just does not flow the way you want? This can be really annoying when you are trying to organize your files. In this video, I'll show you how to easily reorder and rearrange pages in any PDF. To do this, we'll use an offline tool called Systweak PDF Editor. It is safe, secure, and keeps your files private because nothing gets uploaded online. You can download and install Systweak PDF Editor from the link given in the description. First, let's see the easiest way to reorder pages, which is drag and drop. Open your PDF in Systweak PDF Editor and go to the page menu at the top. Here, you will see all your pages in a thumbnail view. If your document has only a few pages, you can simply click and hold any page, drag it to the position you want, and release it. This is the quickest way to rearrange pages in any order you like. Now let's look at the move method for more precise control. Make sure you are still in the page menu. Select the page or pages you want to move. Click on the move button at the top. A small window will appear where you can enter the page number where you want to move your selected pages. Choose whether you want to place them before or after that page number. Click OK and the pages will move to the exact spot you selected. And that is how easy it is to rearrange and reorder pages in a PDF using Systweak PDF Editor. If this video helped you, let me know in the comments, and do not forget to like this video, subscribe for more simple tech tutorials, and share it with anyone who might need this.